Okay, fifth graders, we are starting the review of Chapter 4. This is page 165. It says Fluency Practice Activity. And there's one of these at the end of every chapter. And basically you solve these problems down below here. And then you match the answer with the letter. And then you come up with some kind of word or code or something. So I'll do a couple of these for you guys here. So let's take a look. Some of them are just really easy. I'm looking at, here, let me move this down a little bit so we can see a little bit more of it. What is 10 times 10? Well, that's 100. And so then you'd look in these answers here and see which one is 100. Oh, there it is, B. So that was an easy one done for you. Let me do one that's a little bit harder. I think you guys would appreciate that. So I'm looking at this one right here. This is 331, and it's being multiplied by 29. Two numbers. We have not done very many of these, so let's just take a look. So 9 times 1 is 9. That's easy enough. 9 times 3 is 27. Put down the 2, or carry the 2 rather. Put down the 7, carry the 2. 9 times 3 again is 27. Plus 2 more is what? 29. All right, so now we're doing the second row in here. And you always put in a placeholder 0 because you're going to be moving in 1 for the first number. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 3 is 6. Now you just simply add them together. And so 9 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. Put down the 5, carry the 1. And then 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Where's the comma go? Remember the comma always, we look at whatever the number is, the whole number, and you start to the far right and you count over 3. 1, 2, 3. So the comma would go between the 5 and the 9. And so it looks like the answer is 9,599. So what do we got here? Okay, so the digit in the thousands place is the product of 9. So here's a digit in the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place. Here it is, the thousands place. The digit in the thousands place. Am I reading that right? The digit in the thousands place of the product is 9. Okay, the product is the answer. And so we definitely got the answer of 9,599. So that would be F. So I'll put down the answer, 9,599, and letter F. So there you go. I've done a couple of those for you. So the next page, let's see here, vocabulary review. So it looks like 1 through 4, it says write always, sometimes, or never. Those are our 3 choices. So number 1, it says multiplying a decimal. They don't say what kind of decimal, but so I guess it could be any number with a decimal. By 10 to the 4th shifts the decimal point 4 places to the right. Well, let's pick a number here. How about 27.0156. All right. And if we multiplied that by 10 to the 4th, okay, that's the same thing as multiplying it by what? 1 followed by 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be 10,000. All right. So anytime you multiply a number by a power of 10, you're just, as they said, you're going to be shifting the decimal. The number's getting larger, right? So it would shift, sure enough, to the right 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So the answer to that very first one is always. I mean, think about it. Let's just take the number, I don't know, 13. So 13 multiplied by 1 equals what? 13. Nothing changes. Anything multiplied by 1 is the same. But 13 multiplied by 2, what's it equal? 26. So it's getting larger. So 13 multiplied by 10, that's a lot larger. That's going to be 130. We just add a 0 when you're multiplying by 10. 13 multiplied by 100. All right. That's going to be 1,300. Where's the decimal in all these? Look, the decimals in all these. Here's the decimal. Here's the decimal. Here's the decimal. Here's the decimal. Where is it in 13? It's right here. Okay. Where's the decimal going? In 13, it's going to the right. All right, here it is. It went 2 places to the right because we were multiplying by 100. I'll do one more here. If I did 13 times 10 to the 4th, okay, that's going to be 13 and adding 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the comma go? Count over by 3. That's going to be 130,000. Here's the decimal in 13. It was here, and it went over 4 places. All right. Hopefully that helped for anybody that was kind of confused about that. Let's see here. Number 5, it says cross out the numbers. Cross out the numbers that are not powers of 10. Well, that's not a power of 10. There's one more you would cross out. I'll let you guys figure that out. And then A and B, you're just drawing a line to match them. So, for example, 7.2 times 1,000. 7.2 times 1,000. Oh, I see it. Boy, I was just drawing a blank. A brain fart, I guess. 7.2. I'm at my friend's house, and he has a couple dogs. 7.2 times 1,000, yeah. So 3 zeros, power of 3. I don't know why I was just drawing a blank at that. I was looking at it and just kind of confused. Probably the dogs were distracting me. Anyways, I'm done here, and the dogs are being loud and obnoxious. Although they're really actually pretty sweet dogs. So that's it, you guys. I think you can do the rest on your own. I'll talk to you later.